Hello friends, the journey of excellence at Tata Chemicals has been exciting, rewarding and challenging. As you would have heard from some of our leaders, there are many facets to this journey, but at the epicenter lies the leadership system, which outlines how leaders drive the organization to achieve the vision and mission, keeping in mind at all times a set of underpinning values. In an organization such as ours, which has its manufacturing operations spread across 4 continents, diverse business segments, and close to 4,700 employees coming from different cultural backgrounds, the very first challenge is to establish a minimum acceptable agenda, knowing that one glove will not fit all. With multiple priorities, focus and measurement is key in ensuring we stay on track. Hence, a systematic PDCA cycle, which is plan, do, check and act, is what each one of us must strive to embed in our work systems, and that's pretty much what we endeavor to do in a holistic manner through the leadership system. In this context, I believe that it is imperative to align the responsibility, authority and accountability of each employee in the organization so that each one of us understands the importance of our roles and contribution to the larger agenda. At TCL, we have successfully used the balanced scorecard to set our priorities, balance stakeholder interests, and allocate resources, be it financial, manpower, or technology, in a disciplined manner. The cascade of the balanced scorecard, as you all know, happens through the strategy deployment metrics at a functional or departmental level, and finally to the individual goal sheets. This helps in the planning and alignment phase, and importantly, in integrating different parts of the enterprise. Detailed projects in the strategy deployment metrics and their subsequent tracking with appropriate resource allocation is what ensures execution. Our goals and targets must be challenging, and to remain competitive, we need to raise the bar constantly. As leaders, it is our responsibility to anticipate barriers and work through alternatives. A comprehensive enterprise-wide risk management process, which includes facets like business continuity, emergency preparedness, disaster management, all help to anticipate and deal with contingencies. We are fortunate to have a world-class framework like TBM to work with, which is mirrored on the Malcolm Baldrige model. The Tata Business Excellence model covers all facets of running a business and importantly integrates these together with a common agenda of delivering value to all stakeholders. Several Tata companies, including Tata Chemicals, has benefited immensely from embracing the business excellence journey. And personally, this is something I'm very passionate about, and we urge each one of you to step on the bus and contribute in your own little way. To conclude, I would like to state that collectively, we are as good as the weakest link. So let's all put our heads and shoulders together in the power of one to take this company to greater heights.